In this video, we'll walk through what you need to know before getting started with territory management and show you how to get started. The first thing to know is that touchpoint territory management is simple. It allows you to easily create territories and to realign or reassign territories with the click of a button. Before getting started, there are 4 things you need to know. First, only users set up as system administrators can define how territory management will work. Second, once you start using touchpoint territory management, all accounts will be assigned to a territory unless the No Territory Assignment checkbox is checked on the account. Before creating your first territory, make sure to check this field on all accounts that shouldn't be assigned to a territory. Third, accounts are assigned to territories based on their geography, country, state, postal code. If an account's address doesn't fit within a defined territory, it will be assigned to the catch-all territory until the problem is fixed and the account is assigned correctly. Note that once the address is corrected, it will be automatically assigned to the correct territory. Fourth, all users that need access to territory management must have a touchpoint territory management license and be identified on the licensed user page. This includes system administrator, territory approver, and territory owners, which are generally the sales reps. The Territory Setup tab is where you define how territory management will work. First, define the name of your catch-all territory and select an owner. This person will be responsible for fixing the account or territory problems that lead to an account being assigned to the catch-all territory. All accounts will be assigned to the territory owner, but you can define whether contacts, open opportunities, and open tasks should also be assigned to the territory owner. Generally, all fields will be checked. This will ensure that when a territory is reassigned, the new owner will be assigned all records that need to be worked. If territory changes need to be approved prior to taking effect, select Yes, and find the user who will review and approve territory changes. This user will be notified when territory changes are submitted. After he or she has approved the change, the territory or territories will be modified. If there is no approval process, as soon as the territory is realigned or reassigned to a new owner and submitted, the changes will be made. Select whether accounts should be assigned to territories based on billing or shipping address. It is the best practice that whichever is selected is made required. Using an address solution like Address Complete will ensure that the right country and state combination is selected when an account address is defined. Lastly, select whether territory snapshots are necessary, and if so, how often they should be taken. Territory snapshots are point-in-time pictures of the territory. They capture the date, number of accounts, number of open opportunities, and point-in-time sales and pipeline information. This can be helpful in trending territories. There are 3 related lists on the Territory Setup page that show territory changes that are in process. The Waiting for Submit section shows all changes that have been saved but not submitted. The Pending Approval section shows all changes that have been submitted but not yet approved. This section will only be populated if an approver is selected above. The Pending Effective Date section shows all changes that have been submitted for a future effective date. These are changes that are defined now but won't take place until a future date. Once the date arrives, the changes will be made. You can click on the View Detail link on each record for an overview of all of the changes. If you are the approver, you can also click the Approve Reject button from here. Setting up territory management is easy, and if at a later point something needs to change, simply update Territory Setup and the changes will take effect with the next territory change that is submitted. Thanks for watching.